Hi, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture we are going to talk about the 3D printed parts of the hatch door. Okay, so these are the parts. As you can see, we have one of these, 8 of the small circles, 4 of the large circles, and these 2 long parts. And we have 2 of these parts, okay, and also we have this part. So I will explain you each parts, where is it going. Okay, so don't, by the way, about the printing, print them as they are, don't change them. Even if you're changing your arm, okay, if you're changing the 3D printed arm files, even if you're using another size, do not change these ones, because these are going to be connected, these moving parts, okay, 4 of them, and are going to be connected to this part, which is going to the servo. Okay, so this one is connected to the servo. Okay, it's coming with the servo, and as you can see, it fits right in. So if you change the size of them, so it won't fit. The only way you can change it, it's in this axis. Okay, so you can make it more shorter, but don't change the X and Y. Okay, if you're looking on this side, so it will be X and Y. Don't change it, because it will make this hole larger. The same about these ones, because this guy is going right in. Okay, so we don't want to change them. Okay, so these all are going to be connected to these parts. Okay, so on the next lectures I will show you how to connect them. So it will be open like this, and also it will be connected to this part. Okay, so this one is going up, and to this part is going up too, and I will show you on the next lectures how to connect them. And that's it. Just go on and print these parts. Okay, and you have them under the description. Just go download and print them. I'm going to talk with you about the hand 3D parts. So these are the parts, not this one, of course. These are the parts of the hand itself. Okay, so you have this part of the hand itself, so your hand need to go right into it. Okay, so as you can see, it fits to my hand, and my hand is I think it's average, but you know, if you have a bigger hand, you can go and resize it. Okay, okay, and don't forget, this is the cover that you're printing. Okay, so you will have this will go right here, and I will show you on the next lectures how we are going to connect it, so it will open, and you will be able to put your hand inside it very easily. And just notice that you have inside the Excel how to print. I added a table that shows how to print every part here. So just use it, because you need to, for example, to print this part standing like this, but the STL file is coming, I think, this way, and you can try and, you know, print it this way, but you will have you know, so much support over here. So I just print it this way, but you will have to put a raft here, so there will be a raft a raft underneath this model that holding it, okay, like this, so it won't move. And these are the fingers, okay. So for example, we have the thumbnail here. I think this one for the thumbnail, okay. And I will show you in the next lectures how to connect them, okay. I think it's going this way. And I will show you how to connect them between them. We will use a rubber band, and also you will have to part this glove, okay. So we will use it, we will put it inside here, and then I will just have to put my hand inside the glove, and it will be easier because it's not so it's not so nice to put your hand inside this plastic, okay. So you won't get any scratch. I don't want you to get any scratches, and I will show you in the next lectures how we are going to connect everything. And these are the parts, okay. And just go on and look on the Excel how to print them. I'm going to talk with you about the electronic parts. Now let's start from the beginning. So we have this component. This is the Arduino. Now I've put it all of I talked with you on the previous lectures about the electronic parts you must have. You also have the schematic, so you can go to the schematic and look which parts you need. And this one is the Arduino Uno, okay. Sorry, the Arduino Nano, okay. So so this is a really tiny Arduino, okay. So this is going to be like the brain, okay. We're going to upload the program to this to this component, and we will control everything with this part, okay. Okay, the next part is this is the voice recognition module, this right here, okay. You have a microphone, and now it's connected, okay. When it will be inside the arm, it will not be connected like this. Now it's connected to the FTDI. So for uploading and recording your voice into this voice recognition module, we're going to use this on the next lectures. I will show you how to connect it, and I will show you everything you need to know. And this one is going to the computer, okay. So inside the bionic arm, we're not going to use this FTDI unit. It coming with this part, and you also have it in the description on the previous lectures. You have the link to buy everything here. Okay. So the next part is this. This is the voice. Sorry, the sound card. Okay, and you have the two speakers here, and I will show you later on how to connect everything. Now you have this part here. This is the KY laser, okay. So I have one here. You need two of them. You can put one of them, but it depends on you. We will use two of them, okay. So two of this part, and this is the MOSFET. So the MOSFET with the LEDs. Now I told you I have many of them. I'm going to put white LEDs, and this is going to switch the LEDs. And you also need resistors. So go and buy the resistors I gave you, and I told you to put in the schematic, okay. So you will not burn the LEDs when you toggle them. Now the next part is this accelerometer. So this can recognize your hand movement, So what we're going to do is when we're moving the hand, it's going to start the LED lights, or put the laser on. So we're going to use this part. So this is going to sit on our hand, okay, and it's going to sit right here. Okay, so it will start the LEDs, and the next parts are these ones. By the way, about the LEDs, you will need around 6 of them. Go on to the schematic and look, and we'll show you later on how we connect them. And these are the servo motors. So we have a regular motor, servo motor, and we have 360 servo motor. Now this one, if you look inside, okay, if you look inside, you can see this one have a green thing inside here. So the one with the thing inside here, it's the regular motor, and the one that is empty is 360 motor. Now actually what they did, they took this motor and they just pulled this thing out, and they just modified it to be 360. And you can go to Google if you wanna buy this servo. It's cheaper. This one costs more because they worked on it and they're taking more money for this one. So if you don't want to pay so much and you have the tools, go on and look on the internet how to do it. You need to have some tools to cut here, some irons and things inside. So I just bought these engines because I'm lazy, and you need four of these ones and one of this one. Okay, so I will show you the difference. Okay, so this is the regular servo. As you can see, I have a limit. So if I'm going to rotate it, okay, so it's gonna be stuck. So it has a limit around 180 degrees. Okay, and this motor, the 360, just going to be continuous, and it never stop. You need to stop it with the I will show you later how you stop it and how you start it and how you rotate it left or right, but it's just how it says, it's 360, but it's continuous 360. Yeah, it's not just 360 and then it stops. So just continuous, like a regular motor, but you can control it when you stop it, and you don't need to toggle it with some MOSFET. And these are all the parts that you need. Okay, so so you can go to the description, you can see the schematic, and you can see where to buy them. I will show you in the next lectures how to connect them and everything. So I'll see you on the next lectures. Thank you.